If you got some free time this summer and you want to actually build some robots with your hands, I want to show you 3 robot projects that you can build during the hot days of August. One is a full wheel-based autonomous navigation robot. Another one flies, and the final one is so small that it can be used as a spy robot. The 3 robots have a thing in common. They are all based on the ESP32 microcontroller, and as such, they can be controlled by using micro-ROS. Project 1. The 2-wheel differential drive robot. This first robot looks more like the typical initial wheel robot used to start in robotics. It is a differential drive robot with a LiDAR on top, which is controlled by an Arduino board. You can control the robot using micro-ROS and stream the data of the robot to a desktop computer where to launch the ROS2 navigation system and then make the robot create maps of the environment and autonomously navigate while avoiding obstacles. Apart from being an interesting building project, it is a very good project to practice mixed communication between a micro-ROS-based robot and an external computer that executes the heavy computation of the navigation system. You need to understand all those concepts if you want to have a career in robotics. And the Constructs Robotics Developer Masterclass can help you get that knowledge and get a job in robotics within 6 months. Check the link in the description to learn more about how you can start your career in robotics within 6 months without having to own an engineering degree. Project 2. The Mini Quadcopter. The second project is a mini quadcopter, basically a tiny drone. This one is the hardest of the 3, but it's also the coolest because it actually has to fly. You will build a small quadcopter controlled by a microcontroller that sits on the drone core together with its tiny battery. The project allows to control the drone from your phone by using the ESP Drone app, or use a radio controller using ESP Now for extended range and stick precision. The drone is not using micro-ROS at present, so it could be a good exercise for you to include it. If you want a challenge this summer, this is the one to go for. Project 3. The Mini 4-wheel robot. The third one is a very interesting project because of its small size. Think of it like a mini version of the first project I mentioned, but this time with 4 wheels instead of 2. Given its tiny dimensions, instead of a LiDAR, the robot has a small camera directly connected to an ESP32 board. The project allows you to get a phone app to control the robot and receive the camera images on it. That's a real mini-spy robot. This project is not using micro-ROS either, so changing the control system by a micro-ROS one could be an excellent exercise. And that's it. What is interesting about those projects is that all of them are composed of the same components, and that they apply the same principles that would apply to any other type of robot, including humanoids. So by doing any of those projects, you can practice and better understand the different components of any robot and how they interact with each other. And on top of that, you will get a cool robot. So that's it. 3 robots, 3 different challenges, same core skills. Pick whichever one sounds the most fun and just start. And if you want to go further and start your career in robotics, have a look at the Robotics Developers Masterclass, the only program that prepares you with the robotics skills that companies are looking for. The Robotics Developers Masterclass teaches you how to do things in robotics starting from zero. No engineering degree required. Only passion to become a robotics developer and start working in the robotics industry in 6 months. Check the link below and see you in the next video.